I think I'm fighting an uphill battle here. Yep. I'm stuck. A little icy. Like a boot on a mailbox. Whoa, I went in the ditch. Cool little. That is cool. Check out that hammer. Serious. Well, the weather's turned from crappy to crappier. Got a bit of ice jam. Gonna heat it up. Ah, the joys of being a homeowner. I think I'm fighting an uphill battle here. Yep. Now we're going to plan B. Salt. She's a mess. Melt it out. Yeah, I got a bunch of salt up in there. We'll see what happens. But now I gotta go look at a lady's leaky roof. Good times. That's how it is. Always working on other people's stuff other than my own. Name of the game. Here we go. Alright, let's see what this situation's all about. I'm stuck. It's a little icy. We got her. Here we go. Stop, give me an eggnog. Keeps you going. That looks like a little leak around a flue pipe coming through the roof. Nothing major, but I'm not fixing it today, that's for sure. It is nasty. Woo! Okay. On to fun stuff. Well, looky there. We got flow. It worked. Cool. Well, been working on this moccasin a bit. Talking on the phone with some people about some work, but I gotta get out of the shop for a little bit. So let's go for a cruise and see what we see. I have to lock in the hubs. Get out of my front yard. Got me blocked in. There we got her. Yeah, bitch. There we go. You don't really have to lock the hubs in. It's 4-wheel drive all the time, but for you younger viewers, that's what we used to have to do. So you get stuck, you usually have to wade into the mud or muck, lock your hubs in to get out. It was a blast. You know, some of the farmers didn't get all the corn out, so the deer will have plenty to eat this winter. It's opening weekend for shotgun season deer, and so I won't be getting in the timber for a couple of weeks. Try to find some other stuff to do. The weather is horrible. Rainy, nasty. We got some more snow moving in. We had freezing rain the other night. Roads are completely crap. But I gotta get out of the shop. So go goof around, look around. Might see something cool. Never know. Like a boot on a mailbox. Whoa, I went in the ditch. That about got interesting. Look out, got it. Okay, so that's not slush, that's ice. You just learned a lesson there. Keep it between the ditches. So in, I think it was 2008, this all flooded. The river's over there by the trees, but this was all underwater, so you could park way back there on the back of the road, but we'd wade out here about waist deep and shoot fish. Man, it was a blast. As far as you can see, it was just water. All this was under. It was a good time. Yep, we're gonna start having some ice jams. That's a lot of water. There's more coming. That's a fun creek to canoe too. It's crazy. It takes like 2 hours to go 3 miles. It's so twisted and turned, but it's pretty neat. So what's probably gonna happen is we're gonna get all this rain tonight, the next few days, and then we're supposed to dip down way in the 20s for like 3 or 4 days. So all the culverts and drainage ditches, they're gonna freeze up and there's not gonna be anywhere for that water to go. Ice jams up. It's a mess. I'll be there to film it, I'm sure. elbow fishing today, that's for sure. Whew, it is nasty. I don't know what it is about rivers. Draws you to it, whatever. I think it's because worldwide everything depends on the river. Existence, everything depends on. I think I'm going to stop in an antique store here and see if we can't find something cool. Good day for it. Alright, this guy's always got something cool hiding. Check that out. Cool powder horn. Pretty cool. Cool little. That is cool. There's some cool old tools. I might have to pick that dude up. Look at that. Bushcraft. Check out all these draw knives. This one's really cool. That'd be really good for bow building. A couple more back there. Some nice traps. Alright, that was successful. Got a LOA draw knife. Good steel. This is Beacon Antiques. Beacon Antiques. They're on Facebook. Check them out. Give them a call before you do, because they're pretty independent, but it's worth it. They got some cool stuff. Right on. Stop, give me a slice of pizza. I'm starving. I think I'll head back to the shop, get this draw knife cleaned up, see what she looks like. Good day for it. Right. Cleaned up nice. Seal the handles. Oh, pretty. Love it. Alright, so there you go. Just put some shellac coating on there. A couple of coats. You can put that on your metal too to keep it from rusting. Looks like whoever had it did that too with maybe some linseed oil, but they took care of it. You can tell it's never been touched with a bench grinder. Avoid that because it'll actually ruin the temper of the steel. But it's an IOA. I said LOA. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's an old tool company. But pretty sweet. I like it. Light enough to put in the backpack too if I want to go take it bushcrafting. Might try it out. Edge ain't too bad. I'm going to hone it a little bit, strop it. Good to go. So that worked out. Hope you liked it. Not too exciting, but thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.